Question: which is correct about reproduction in arthropods? Answer: usually digests, mostly vaporizes. B. Internal fertilization. C. Some exhibited parthenogenesis. Next question: maniotal is stored food in pro- protophases. Answer: false. Next question: dash character are easily affected by environment. Answer: somatic. Next question: organ system level of organization is not found in. Answer: elements. Next question: xenophyte of petrophyte. Answer: photosynthetic and free living. Next question: acidosis is seen in case of. Answer: crocus. Next question: male gametes are flagellated in. Answer: ectocarps. Next question: Megor has biflagellatal zoospore. Answer: false. Question: the production of spore by the spore mother cell in the result of. Answer: meiosis. Next question: which is true for arthropoda? Answer: development may be direct or indirect. Open circulatory system. And C. Abstraction takes place by green gland, coxal gland, and magnificent tubules. Next question: allicin is obtained from red algae and cargreen and from brown algae. Answer: false. Next question: according to phylogenetic classification, the organism belonging to same taxa. Answer: have a common ancestor. Next question: what is false about closed circulatory system? Answer: blood pressure is low and irregular. Next question: the leaves bearing sporangia are called. Answer: sporophylls. Next question: select from the following the total number of usable insects. Answer: 3. Question: the classification based on evolutionary history was. Answer: phylogenetic classification. Next question: natural classification system developed where. Answer: natural affinities amongst organisms. Next: B. ultrastructure and anatomy. And C. embryology. Next question: incomplete digestive tract is found in. Answer: plate elements. Next question: vascular plant which do not bear seeds is. Answer: petrodophytes. Next question: exoskeleton of arthropoda are sinuous and it sits at interval for the growth and development process known as. Answer: acidosis. Next question: closed type of circulatory system in present in. Answer: annelida and cephalopods. Next question: Marcophylesis leaves are characteristics of. Answer: ferns. Next question: the presence of joint appendages is the specialty of phylum dash. Answer: orthopoda. Question: numbers and codes are assigned to the characters in. Answer: numerical taxonomy. Next question: in open type of circulatory system. Answer: a blood flow in sinuous. B. blood pressure is low and irregular. C. it is found in arthropods and molluscs. Next question: petrodophyte having microphyll is. Answer: Selaginella. Next question: bilateral symmetrical tripoblastic segmented coelomate and covered by chinnate exoskeleton are features of. Answer: arthropoda. Next question: conifer are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of. Answer: thick cuticle. Next question: sequoia is one of the tallest tree. Answer: true. Next question: closed type of circulatory system is found in. Answer: annelida, scapulopods, vertebrate.